Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are working with Slider Revolution and want to use and unlock premium templates, this video is for you. Slider Revolution offers a library of high quality premium designs templates. These templates are a huge time saver for creating slider, hero section, carousel and more without designing everything from scratch. If you are using a theme that comes bundled with Slider Revolution like many premium WordPress theme, now I am using Woodmart theme, the plugin will work. But you will not get access to premium templates without a separate license. In this video, I am using a GPL version of Slider Revolution for demonstration. I personally have a business account on Envato, which gives me access to the original and licensed version of themes and plugin including Slider Revolution. So go to plugins, click on the add new and upload the plugin, and here you can see the Slider Revolution plugin is activated properly. By default, to access these premium templates, you need to have a valid purchase code. This usually means you have a purchase license from Slider Revolution directly from CodeCanyon. With this GPL plugin, you can export the Slider Revolution plugin easily. And here you can see you need to click on the module templates, and here you can see there are lot of Slider Revolution templates. You can use it. You can import any type of module from here. There are a lot of premium templates inside the Revolution. You can see the preview of the templates, and for more slides you need to install and activate the additional add-ins of Slider Revolution. Install templates and add-in, and here you can see install add-ins and install the templates, and this templates is installed properly. You need to, here you can see templates is installed. Then you need to click on the new blank templates, and here you can see this is blank template. You need to click on the add slide, click on the add slide and import from templates, and here you can choose the templates as per your requirements. Here are 3 templates in the slider, and I want to import first one. Click on the template you want. The plugin will download and load it into your project list, and here you can see, and I want to import another slide, this one, like this one, and I want to import another slide. I want to slide, and I want to add more slide, like third slide from the slider, and this one, click on it, and here you can see the 3 slides as added. But I want to delete this empty slider, and here you can see the 3 slides is imported, and I want to save it. You can use the drag and drop editor to adjust images, text layers, buttons, animation and responsiveness of the slider. And here you can edit the slides, change images, text and much more. And now I want to add it in the page. I want to click on the Slider Revolution, and here this is my slides. You can export the slides here, and you can add the short code in this page to show this. And here you can see the standard modules embedding shortcode. You can use this for pages, posts, and for theme HTML, theme function.php. You can use this module embedding, but I want to use it in the Elementor page. So in the Elementor editor and the block editor, the Slider Revolutions gives its own widgets. So now I want to add Slider Revolution widgets here in the home page. And here you can see I want to add this one. And then publish the page. Here you can see the slider is import correctly, but in the bottom I want to add some padding for this, like 50 pixel, and now 50 pixel, and now it's looking fine. And then publish the page. If you want to go to page and refresh the page, and here you can see the slider is imported. If you are serious about design or managing multiple websites, it's worth getting proper access to Slider Revolution premium features. Like this video if it helped. If you want this plugin, visit my website pkmentor.com. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.